course I have goals and dreams and I want things, who doesn't? I want the house and the home and the lover and the car and the money and the shoes and the whatever. I want them all, right? But really asking, like, why do I want them? Because whatever thing we want it because of the feeling that thing creates when we have it, right? What I want to draw your attention to and just like really feel into for a minute, what is that one thing that you want? And really tap into a radical honesty, like, why do you want it? Why do you want it? Because I don't know about you, but for me and many people that I know, we want things, variety of reasons, but I think we could split them like in two big groups. One is how that make us feel, of course, and second, what status that creates for us. And so how we are to be perceived by others, and when we are perceived and appreciated and accepted by others because of the things that we have, how that make us feel. So it's coming down to one thing: how does that make us feel when we have it?